Today I'm going to be showing you simple exercises you can be doing on daily basis to improve your speed and accuracy in the bass guitar. So you can actually do these exercises on any key. Any key, you can start from the top, you can start anywhere from here. And so this first exercise is to make your hands flexible on the strings, because you are going to be using them to strike. And so this is what you'll be doing. Do, 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 do. One after the other. Do, do, re, mi, mi, fa, fa. So, so, la, la, ti, ti, do, do, ti, ti, la, la, so, so, fa, fa, mi, mi, re, do. You continue like that. Decide to increase the speed. You can also make it faster than this too. So once you are able to do this, then it will improve your speed. You can also decide to do do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, not the double strike, but one of using these hands, as this one plays the do, this one plays the re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, like that. Do, re, mi, sorry. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. So you can decide to be doing it continuously on continuous variation. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, la, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Another finger exercise you can also do is do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. This is another finger exercise you can decide to, as usual, increasing the speed gradually. And so another one is do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re, do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re. So you can decide to increase the tempo too. The next one is descending order. The first one we first did is the do, mi, so, fa, la, do, mi, so, ti, re is the ascending. Then the second one is descending. So, mi, do, la, fa, so, mi, do, re, ti, so. So, mi, do, la, fa, so, mi, do, re, ti, so. So mi do la fa, so mi do re ti so. So mi do la fa, so mi do re ti so. So you increase the tempo too. Now let's mix the both of them together using this exact tempo, the exact frequency. Let's start from the first one. So mi do. So let's make it more faster. More of this exercise will keep coming. Do this daily, and as often as you do it, you'll get used to it, and your speed keeps increasing. You say we get used to what we constantly do, so do it to always rehearse. Find time, no matter how busy you are, even if it is for few minutes, you rehearse daily. So thank you for watching today's episode. Please do to subscribe if you are not subscribed,